Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to multiply and divide integers, that means positive and negative numbers. Let's get started. In case of multiplying or division, I apply the multiplication on the numbers without the signs first. So here 3 times 7 is simply equal to 21. And here 2 times 6 is equal to 12. And here 5 times 4 equals to 20. Now, to know if at the end of the day, if it's positive or negative, ask yourself, if they have the same signs, it means at the end will be positive. And if they have different signs, it means at the end, the sign will become negative. So let's take the first one. Here I have negative and positive, they are different. So the answer at the end will become negative. Here I have positive and negative, they are different. So the answer will be at the end negative. Here I have negative and negative, they are the same. So the answer at the end will become positive. And that's how we do it. Let's take some examples for division. In this case, again, we apply the division without the signs. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Here, 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. And here, 35 divided by 7 gives me 5. Now to look for the sign, here it's negative and positive. Different means what? Negative. So the answer is negative 5. Here I have negative and negative, they are the same. So at the end, the answer will become positive. Here I have positive and negative. So in this case, since they are different, the answer at the end will become negative. Let's take this final example. Let's go back to the very beginning. Here we have multiplication and division. So let's do first of all the multiplication. Let's finalize and simplify the numerator. Multiply like there's no signs at all. So 12 times 4 gives me 48. And since here it's negative and here it's positive, so the final answer is negative because they are different signs. So it will become negative 48 divided by negative 3. Now again here, apply the division without the signs. So 48 divided by 3, if you apply the long division, it will be equal to 16. So after division, the answer is 16. There we go. And to know if it's positive or negative, check the signs. Here, the first one is negative, the other one also negative. They are the same. So the final answer will be positive. And there we go. That's how we do it. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can put them down in the comments below.